Hello viewers, welcome to Health Profile. I'm Kratika. Today we are at Glenical's Global Hospital. Dr. Venkatramana is with us, spine and orthopedic surgeon. Hello doctor.
Hi,
It's pleasure having you here.
thank you.
Doctor, what are the causes of knee pain?
See, the knee pain, it occurs in younger age group, it occurs in older age. Usually, commonly it occurs in the older age group. And it is osteoarthritis is the commonest cause. That is degeneration of the knee joint. In the younger age group, it is usually rheumatoid arthritis and autoimmune arthritis. These are the common causes of knee pain.
So in these days, younger people are more suffering with the knee pain. So actually, what are the causes of knee pain in the younger people?
See, knee pain in youngsters and in adolescents. Adolescence is around 13 to 14 years when they are just achieving puberty. There is a rapid growth of the bones. When there is a rapid growth of the bones, the joints are enlarging, but the muscles are not enlarging at the same rate. So the muscles pull causes pain in the joints. That is in adolescents. In younger age group, it is because of faulty habits. The postural habits in the youngsters and obesity is one of the main causes of knee pain in the youngsters. Apart from this, that is physiological is obesity. Pathological is rheumatoid arthritis and other autoimmune arthritis causes knee pain in the youngsters.
What precautions should all ages of people should take, sir?
See, one is healthy living style. Get up in the morning, do stretching exercises. We all have a habit of get up in the morning, have bath, eat and then go to the office and sit. Just 3 sets of Surya Namaskar exercises so that all the joints, it's not only knee, every joint in the body is stretched, will go a long way in preventing arthritis of any particular joint, even knee. Second thing is the weight should be within normal limits and truncal obesity should not be there. Truncal obesity means most people will have lot of fat in the abdomen. So that abdominal fat will put excessive load on the knee joint and the knee joint crumbles down.
Yeah.
So that is, the third part is squatting. Indians, we are prone to squatting, especially Hindus. They do pujas for hours together, sitting down. Satyanarayana Vratam, all these, they sit for long hours on the ground and do. And Indian commodes, Indian toilets they use. Indian toilet, it puts 400% excessive load on the knee joint. European commode has to be used. And strictly weight should be put under control. No sitting on the ground. Then quadriceps exercises. A few exercises of this to strengthen the knee will go a long way.
To what kind of people do you suggest the surgery, sir?
See, in elderly age group, osteoarthritis of the knee joint, the surgery should be done if the quality of life index, the physical quality of life index is so hampered, they are not even able to go even to the washrooms. A person who is walking 1 kilometer comfortably, it is better we not do the knee replacement. If it is hampering even going to a bathroom and if the knees are severely bent, they will be bent inside. If the knees are severely bent, then it is better we go for a surgery. That is a total knee replacement.
Sir, are there any complications after the knee surgery?
See, in the present day scenario, the complications are less than 0.5% I feel. In the present day scenario. Just 10 years back, it was a dreaded operation. 10 to 15 years back, infection was a common complication and it is a devastating complication. Once infection occurs, the entire knee has to be removed and it was a big disaster.
Like it is like you are gonna amputate it or?
No. We go for an arthrodesis. Then after removing the implants, we fuse the knee so that there is no movement in the knee once infection occurs. But nowadays with the present day theatre technology, with the laminar flow, with the advanced state-of-art theatre facilities plus the implants, the infection rate is 0.
So completely, there is no infection.
There is no, done in a proper setup.
Okay.
Done in a proper setup. See, infection can occur, but in the setup, I haven't seen an infection for the last 10 to 15 years.
So what is the success rate of knee replacement surgery?
See, one thing, before I select a patient. See, the knee surgery, it is a simple surgery. Knee replacement is a simple surgery. 35 minutes is the time taken for it. The blood loss also is very minimal because we use a tourniquet. There is no infection, as I said earlier. The success rate, it is a successful surgery. There will be no failure. So, but you must have heard from your neighbors that failed, this failed and all. One thing, proper selection of the case. If the case is selected properly, a person who has been really suffering from arthritis, who is really not, if that person is operated, the operation will be 100% successful. Rather than a person who is walking 3 kilometers and complaining of knee pain, we do a knee replacement, then it will not be successful. The second part, the mentality of the patient. The psychology of the patient also is very important. What I mean by psychology is the patient motivated or not? Or the kith and kin of the patient have just brought the patient to the hospital and got it operated. If the patient wants by himself to walk and he is highly motivated, and if a proper counseling is done by the doctor, I don't see any reason whatsoever that the surgery is a failure.
Doctor, is it possible to face difficulty in sitting or standing after the surgery?
Definitely no. Standing, there is no problem at all. Walking, there will be no problem at all. And the second day itself, we start mobilizing the knee. One of the problems faced in the earlier days, that is about 10-15 years back, is after knee replacement also the knee is not bending. Now I have operated so many international patients who happen to be Muslims. They are able to do namaz also. So there will be no problem, and the physiotherapy will be started on the second post-operative day, and it starts with knee bending to 100 degrees.
Doctor, how many years does this surgery last?
With the present implants, we are using all imported implants. Either it is Smith & Nephew or DePuy, Johnson & Johnson, whatsoever, Zimmer, Stryker. These are all the various companies of implants what we use. The loosening rate or the failure rate, see, it is not there. Until and unless a subclinical infection occurs only, there will be loosening. There is no, the implants won't fail now. Of course, in selected cases, that is, all these I am saying for osteoarthritis, old age cases. But there are selective cases where the bone itself, the quality of the bone is not that good. Maybe in those cases, we have to take extra precautions. Otherwise, I feel easily 25 years, there should not be a problem.
Sir, can both knees can be operated at the same time?
See, this is a good question. Whether should I go for a single knee or should I go for both the knees at the same time? Whether my condition permits or not. See, one knee takes 40 minutes or 35 minutes. The blood loss is not all that much. So, and epidural anesthesia is the anesthesia given. So, in one anesthesia, if both the knees are operated, it is a good thing. It's a good thing. The physiotherapy will be started on the second day itself for both the knees. If you operate one knee or if you operate both the knees, the pain perceived by the brain is the same. If I operate only one knee, 100% of the pain of that knee will be perceived by the brain. Suppose I operated both the knees, both right and left. This 100% will be divided into 50%, 50%. The pain perceived by the brain will be that much only. So, one physiotherapy, one anesthesia, just 40 minutes extra time of surgery on the other knee, one stage antibiotics, and within 2 months the patient will be up and about and walking freely. Suppose I do one surgery now, after 2 months again if I do the second surgery, it gets delayed, it gets prolonged. Patient lifestyle. So, I personally advise to go for, if both the knees are affected badly, equally, go for both the knees at the same sitting. Suppose the right knee is 90% affected, the left knee is 40% affected. Most probably, the left knee is affected because the right knee is bad. It is taking more load. Then I advise only a single knee. Right knee, you get it operated. Wait for 1 or 2 years. Maybe the left knee will stop there at 40% only.
So finally, what you suggest to people who are suffering with the knee pain?
Suffering with knee pain, surgery should be the last option. change in lifestyle should be the first option. Do stretching exercises. You need not go to physiotherapists. Just to do Surya Namaskar exercises, 3 sets in the morning. Do not squat. Use Western commodes. Climbing up the stairs 20 steps, 30 steps should not make a problem. More than that, you think twice. Definitely lose your weight. You lose 5 kgs weight, there will be a 50% reduction in the pain in the knee. Remember this, lose weight. Especially if there is truncal obesity, that is fat around the abdomen, that should be lost fast. Already you have knee pain, you strengthen the muscles around the knee by a few exercises. Change your lifestyle is my sincere advice. And you are not able to walk till your washroom, you are finding it extremely difficult to do your routine life, and your physical quality of life index is extremely low, don't hesitate to go for a surgery. Of 100 cases of knee pain which come to me in my OPD, I hardly suggest, for about 4 or 5 patients I suggest surgery. Rest all I always suggest change in lifestyle.
Thank you, sir.
Namaskaram, Nenu Mansi Gulati. Today we'll do yoga for sinus. Sinus is curable, we can easily control it with yoga. So today we'll tell you 3 beautiful exercises which is